Okay guys, today we're going to do some grilled chicken stir fry. Cut your chicken really thin so it cooks quickly. You can get yourself at Whole Foods or Wegmans already packaged up stir fry mix, which has onions, shiitake mushrooms, cauliflower, peppers, carrots, everything. Low sodium soy sauce, a little olive oil, garlic, ginger, scallion. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to pour some oil in to the pan. And you can use a pot. This way oil doesn't go all over the place. You don't need a saute pan. Heat that up. Add the garlic, ginger, and scallion. Saute that for just 2 minutes. Add in your chicken. Make sure that gets going. About 2-3 minutes after that, add in your vegetables. Little low sodium soy sauce. Cook till done, which should be not long at all, nice and thin pieces, and you should be fine. Let's see what happens. Ready? All right. And remember that good old broccoli we steamed and blanched before? Voila! Let me just leave this here while I go out for the next shot. Let's see. This is the best chicken I ever had.